our stainless steel file cabinet. First off, the wall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 47¼ inches, a depth of 24½ inches, and a height with legs 39½ inches tall. Without the legs, we have 33¾ inches. Coming to the top will be a lip that surrounds the left, back, and right edge. The measurements for the internal surface, we have 45½ inches in length by 23½ inches in depth, with the lip measuring 2 inches in height. Included will be a set of 10 keys. Each key can be used to lock each cabinet. Coming to the top row will be 3 drawers. And the measurements for each will include 13¼ inches in length by 14¾ inches in depth, and a height of 3½ inches tall. Measurements apply for each of the 3 cabinets on top. Coming to the bottom will be the left and right storage cabinets. The measurements for the right storage cabinet, we have 21 inches in depth, 15½ inches in length, and a height of 20 inches. Please note that the shelf can be adjusted to height. And coming to the left storage cabinet, we have a length of 29¾ inches, a depth 21¼ inches, also a height of 20 inches. And the center shelf can be adjusted to height. Coming to the back of the cabinet will be all solid stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.